Hello friends, I am Nilendu KR Mandal and welcome to my YouTube channel Life in Stealth Black. Today I am gonna review one of the best silencers for Royal Enfield Classic 350. The name of the silencer is, as you can see in front of my camera, K Indori exhaust system. Now this is a very decent silencer in the sense that the silencer does have 3 filters in it, and these 3 filters give back pressure to the engine. Or if you ride Royal Enfield Classic with this silencer, you can feel that the back pressure is there. It is not like the silencers like Shark or Dolphin that doesn't have any filters in it. Those are the free flow silencers, but this is the filtered silencer. So this is very safe for the engine. Coming to the sound of this silencer, I can say that a very decent quality of sound is produced from this silencer. If you ride Royal Enfield with this silencer, you can hear the dug 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 sound is produced from this box. Now this is a very good quality sound that was present in the old Bullet silencer. This is the very same product that was used in old Bullets. So the sound is very soothing to hear, or the beautiful thump is produced from this. Now without further delay, let's hear the sound of the silencer. And after hearing the sound of the silencer, if it is commendable to you, you can comment it in the comment box, and you can share my channel and subscribe. The name of my channel is, as I have mentioned earlier, Life in Stealth Black. Now this is the silencer that I have purchased it for Amazon. I'm gonna share the description, or I'm gonna share the link. You can buy it from there. As you can see, that this silencer looks like a short bottle silencer that produce the awkward kind of sounds, but this is the K Indori. You can see that Royal Enfield, or suitable for Royal Enfield, is written in that silencer, so it is very suitable to Royal Enfield. Now let's hear the sound. Now, how do you like the sound? You can comment it in the comment box. Thank you.